Hello, everybody, and hope everybody will have a happy new year. Well, this past week's been very eventful. The Friday before Christmas, we lost our well. It got finally fixed yesterday, so a week. And as you can probably tell, I haven't cleaned up yet. I'm letting my wife wash some clothes first. But the pump apparently had some kind of a problem, overtaxed itself and burned up and blew a hole in the pipe that was probably about 600 feet down in the hole. So on top of that, my mini split for this building gave up the ghost as well. So it was relatively warm last week, so we didn't have to worry about it too much, but I finally got that repaired. So both of them were repaired Friday. So now I got heat back in this building, and we got water in the house, which is very nice. The other thing I want to mention is I prowl Broadway Limited's refurbished site every day, see what they have. When the RSD 15s came out, a couple of months ago, or maybe a month, maybe even less, they retail for $2.99. You could buy them from a hobby store for $2.39 at a discount, which is not too bad. Or you could wait till they post on their refurbished site, which I did, and they're $179. So, and I've been wanting a couple of them because my GP7s that I have from Atlas kind of sound like a coffee grinder when they're running around. So, but anyway, I did get a couple of the zebra striped RSD 15s for Santa Fe, and I'll start them up here and we'll take a look at them. So, as you can see in here, there they are. It's number 806 and number 810. The bell. Stereo horn. And then we'll do a little bit of movement as long as I can turn my camera. I think overall they sound pretty good. We'll stop it there. Now these are Paragon 4s, and I've got a number in CV8 or function 8 turns them off. I've got Paragon 2s, 3s, and these are the first two Paragon 4s. They seem to run over the Pico turnouts, which I have trouble with some of the 6-axle engines, diesels. But these ran right over them when I was testing them out the other day out here in the cold. But yeah, that's my Christmas present to myself. And these will be pulling one of the freight trains that I do run around the middle of the peninsula. So, but anyway, hope everybody has a happy new year, and we'll see you next year. Thanks for watching. Bye.